Hello everybody, I am back. I have a little combined order here to share. This is an order that came of course from Amazon because it says Prime on it, so everybody knows it's from Amazon. And there's only one little thing in this, and it was this die that I was interested in getting. And it looks like that it's a little doily, and I wanted to see if I can die cut some of my own doilies in any color that I was needing. So this one was ordered separately on its own, and the other Amazon order contains another doily, which is like this. And I thought that would make a super cute doily. And this one is, I think it's 4 inches or 4.5 inches. And then there's a smaller one inside. And this is what it looks like cut. They have a picture of it on the package. So I am very excited about using these because I was very interested in trying to find some dies that would cut my doilies for me, and I'm going to see how this one cuts. It's really intricate, so it's going to be kind of tricky, I am sure. And then what I wanted to also add to this share is these are my Unity Stamp Company kit for March, and these are the designs that they came out with this month, and I have not used them yet. I've just recently received them, but they are huge stamps, as I've always mentioned. So I wanted to share this in this video because it's usually a pretty short video when I share these. But these are my Unity for March of 2018, and lots of springtime stamps in there. So I look forward to using this now in the spring. So I will be back as soon as I'm able to with some shares from this kit. And I have a couple of other stamps that I've made things with, and I've just sent them out in the mail and haven't shared, but I have a couple of projects that I've made with the other stamps. I have to try to remember to either take a picture of them or do a short video of the projects that I make with my stamps, and then kind of maybe mash them together to make one at least 2 or 3 minute video of different project shares. But I am excited for these doilies to see how they cut. I'm really excited about using this Unity stamp kit that I just received here. But anyhow, that is all that I have for this share, and I will be back later on with some more crafty videos and some more crafty shares and some pen friend mail share as well. You all have a great day. Thank you for stopping by. I'm really enjoying sharing my finds with you on this channel, and I love looking at your shares as well, and things that you find and the things that you make with your crafty stash. You all have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Love you guys.